What's up, everyone? Welcome to another video on the channel. Hope you all having a good day. We got 5 of these mystery bags, which they're not much of a mystery because I already know what they have in them. I just forgot, so it must be one of the mystery ones for sure. So this is one bag. You can see all the ones that come out in this set. Another bag. I think it's the same one. Yep, these are the same ones. Here we got another one of the same one. And this one, it's a different one. And this one, also a different one. So these are the same, and these are from different ones. So let me rip them up a little bit so it can be easier to show off. Give me a minute. So there it is. And I would like to give a big thank you to my brother for sponsoring this, for hooking us up. Alright, so which one's this one? Oh, the Bone Shaker. Look at that, very cool. Nice. Like those colors. I'm not a big fan of I am a fan. I'm just not a big collector of the Bone Shaker. Just that if the paint job's right, the tires are right, everything's good, then I'll pick it up for sure. This one's one of those on my top tier. And of course, here is, I guess, the sticker for Hot Wheels Bone Shaker Series 2. Very cool, number 6. So that's what that one is. I think that's it. Yep, that's it from that one. Let's go with the next one. So see if I can see what this is. This is a 2014 Corvette Stingray. Hey, my brother knows I love the Stingrays. Ooh, wow. Look at that. Beautiful, man. I love the paint job. That orange, black with gray stripes. Effing awesome. Got the Hot Wheels logo in the back, right there in the corner. Looking sweet. Those rims look awesome. Very badass. Oh, very badass casting. Let's go with the next one. Let's just pop it up. What is this? What is this? What is this? Oh, is this a Viper? Check that out. Ooh, this is also a badass car, man. Dude, the color combinations on these cars are sweet. Hey, Noah.
Right here.
Your brother's asleep. Here, look, check these out. Whoa, look at that one.
Oh, which one? Slime one.
This is not slime. Oh. Check this one out. What is this? Oh, this is the Mustang. Ooh, by far my favorite. Nice.
Mine.
Look at that. Oh, you have a little car too.
Come on, let's see.
Hold on. Oh, just let me show it off real quick. Now this one's my favorite. Can you take care of that one, please?
Why?
Because it's my favorite. And here we got another Mustang, a cop car. It says safety. Dude, these are awesome. Very cool. Number 4. Love those tampos. Oh, that's cool. It says safety crew. Cool. Check that out, buddy. Which one do you like more?
Everything.
No, not everything. You have to pick one. Which one do you like more?
Every.
No, big.
That's what I'm gonna play with before.
Check those out. Where's the other one? There's one more. Dude. Cover your mouth. Shaking my head. Not funny, dude. Now I gotta clean everything. Corona. Alright, say goodbye. Thank you for watching. Peace out. I hope y'all are being safe, man. For real. It's crazy out there. These stickers are cool. Yeah, calm down. Peace. Bye.